Ja!
Kijk, dus mos twee separate questions. Wie is die imposter en wie dink jy gaan dit gaan doen?
Vir wie jy gevra?
Yeah.
Away mensen, so today we're gonna play a game. The game is called Mafia. Guys, huh? Yeah, basically how this game works is there's gonna be 4 cards, and 3 of those cards would be the same number, and 1 of those cards would be a different number. So the one that's different will be the imposter. And how this game is gonna go down is there's gonna be questions, and the imposter would get a different question from the 3 others who are civilians. So they're gonna vote when the round is done. They're gonna vote on who is the imposter, and the game ends when the imposter is voted out or when there are 2 civilians voted out.
Away.
Verstaan jullie?
Ja. Verstaan je nog?
Salut.
Order.
So guys, these are the cards. Yeah. Okay. Close your eyes. Okay. Trek jullie kaarten ons. Moenie laat die volgende persoon sien. 6 is die mafia. En as jy 10 het, is jy civilian. Okay. Hou net julle kaarte so. Ek gaan by julle question stuur. Die mense wat dieselfde nommers het, sal dieselfde question kry. Die ander een sal 'n different question kry. Okay. Nou, maak julle oë toe. Imposter, maak jou oë oop. Okay, maak jou oë toe. Maak julle almal oop. Ja, julle moet nou discuss ons.
Antwoord is die vraag.
Huh?
Antwoord is die
Yeah, we are
Yeah.
gonna answer the question.
Who do you think is most likely? Moenie 'n vraag sê wat ek jou gestuur het nie. Sê net 'n naam tussen julle. Corney.
Roxie.
Willem.
Corney.
Ooh.
Ja.
Twee mense sê Corney, twee mense sê Roxie. Okay, discuss ons. Wie julle dink is die imposter?
Ah nee, kyk. 2 mense is op my.
Een is
Ek
op
was
Willem
op,
en
ek
een
was
is
op
op my.
Willem.
En een is op my. So hy is die ou wat ons so ver was, dat kan
Ek was uit.
Nee, jy sê 80.
Is he 80?
Okay.
What's
Julle-
the start?
julle-
Yeah, we are
kyk julle-
discussing why we
Julle het
chose
40
the
seconds, julle het 40 seconds om te discuss wie julle dink die imposter is.
Maar like, I believe it's Bugsy, bro.
Luister, en ons moet ons redeneer oor die vraag of wie die imposter is.
Weet jy dat jy moet vir Bugsy kies, maar moet jy sê kom met jou van die.
Redeneer oor jou antwoord.
Oor my
Ek,
antwoord.
my antwoord is Corney, want hy doen net sy kop so goeders. Hy is baie confident dat hy sy kop.
Julle moet redeneer sonder om die vraag uit te bring wat ek julle gestuur
Ek
het.
sal sê is Willem van. Ek het gelaf. Hy het gelaf.
What? There's no even
Ek sê daar is Bugsy van. Ek sê net dat
Wie dink jy is die imposter?
Bugsy.
Bugsy.
Ek dink is Corney.
Okay, so we vote now what?
Ons begin hier by Masha. Masha, wie dink jy is die imposter?
Corney.
Willem, wie dink jy is die imposter?
And let's leave it Bugs.
Wanneer wie dink jy is die imposter?
What?
Wie dink jy is die imposter?
Ag nee.
Willem. So julle almal vote vir mekaar, niemand het die meeste vote nie. So julle begin weer oor. Redeneer nog steeds.
Hoekom moet jy dis dat ek met jou gewout het?
Nee. Die ding is net. Ek weet jou vraag en my vraag. Dis nie dieselfde vraag.
Au!
En ek weet die antwoord wat jy het. Dis nie based op die vraag. Yes.
Nah.
Nee, want jy maak nie sin nie.
Kyk hier, wat ek sê is 'n sin.
Jy moet nou net vir my vir jou net uitpraat
Nee.
die hele tyd. Jy moet bly by my
Ek
dog.
sê is sin.
I
Ek
stick
sê
with
is
Bucks.
Cornwall.
You know what? I'm
Okay,
gonna.
maar Wallen het gesê Bucks en ek stem ook saam met Wallen.
Okay, kom ons vote weer.
Like toe ek gesê het, hoekom ek gesê het
Okay, kom ons vote weer. Masha, wie vote jy?
Bucks.
Bucks.
Masha.
Well,
So Bucks.
ons sê so Bucks, jy's uit. Kan jy asseblief daar opstaan en daar wegkom asseblief? Verwyder jouself.
Moenie sê wat jy doen.
Wrong choice, né? Kom ek gee jou kat. I can confirm that Bucks was not.
Ai! Ai!
Dis al waar my antwoord op gelê het.
Die eerste plek gesê het is Cornwall.
Is al wat my antwoord op lê.
Dis hoekom ek gesê het ek moes fout doen.
Kyk hier,
Maar
dit
dat
is
my
my
eerste
My antwoord was op Buxie. As my vraag se antwoord, maar wie ek dink is die imposter is mos nou.
Kan hulle
Maar wanneer ek gesê het
Kom maar weg, dis klaar.
Ek het gesê,
Bucks het
byt om my vraag.
Op die vraag.
Die vraag wat ek gekry het, toe gee ek, hey,
Nee, is net Wallen het gesê Bucks en dis sê jy nog sê rede. Is
hy.
Omdat ek dit gedoen het.
ja.
Dis
Kyk,
mal.
dit is dood.
Kyk hier, stel die vraag was ons most likely toe. Toe was
Ja.
my antwoord op Buxie. Wat dit dat hy die most likely was om dit te doen. Maar toe my antwoord vir die imposter was gay.
Jy vooruit dit was nie dat Jordan het gesê Bucks het geen dan is gekry nie. Want ek het gesê Cornwall, my antwoord is Cornwall. Sy antwoord was Bucks.
Dit het nie.
Weet nie wie was Bucks se antwoord nie. En jou
Wait.
Bucks nie.
Why did you pick Masha?
Because based on that question that was asked, she would know I would not do it.
Ek het as a valid reason
What's your reason?
wat dat hy my antwoord.
Huh?
My vraag antwoord.
5, 4.
Ai!
Dis Masha.
Okay.
Willens.
Kom ons vote weer. Corney, wie vote jy?
Van Masha. Dis die
Willem.
imposter.
Wie vote jy?
Oi. Ah, da. Ah.
Wie
Masha.
Masha, wie vote jy?
Cornwall.
Jou hou dis useless.
Okay. So Masha is gevote.
Corney. Bra. Corney, bra.
Nou verloor jy dan.
I can confirm the imposter was ejected.
Sing. Wat is hier is 'n vraag?
Who's most likely to do drugs?
Exactly.
Maar my vraag maak sin dan. Jy
Wat?
doen jou kop so goed.
Wat was die
I
vraag?
was joined with.
Ons moet net 'n verkeerde rest.
Arrested.
So jy kom as 'n
Ek
krimineel.
kan nie jy kies so nie. Hy doen net wat as ek
Jou
kom.
krimineer.
So guys, these are the next cards for round 2.
Which one is the imposter?
The imposter is the Q.
Queen.
Let's give it looks.
Okay, please close your eyes and may the imposter open your eyes. Okay, maak julle oë oop guys.
I mean like, it's a lot of answers there, but like you have to pick one. I don't know which one though. That's the thing.
Just
My answer
based on your question that you received on your phone, who do you think
No.
is?
There's a lot
The
of
mafia.
answers. Okay. Huh?
Who do you think is the imposter, like the mafia?
No, but what is it? Okay.
Yeah, you must tell us. Wie dink jy is dit?
I'm answering my question first.
Yeah, answer your question.
My answer is Wallen.
Yeah.
Well, I know why. I know why.
Bah!
I know why she picks me. But now, I think good.
Hij zei wel.
Oei.
Bugs, what do you think?
It is between those two, but I think Willen.
Willen.
Ik denk best Bugsy. Nou moet hij nog lang gedacht aan ietsie. Het was niet straightforward om iemand in te denken.
Okay, so your opinion is like Bugsy.
I think more than anyone. Su personality, man.
Ja, nee.
Wat is je ook denk je worden? Oké.
Kom dan checken. Ze nog eens
Nee, hij.
You change the weird Bugsy.
Jij wil het box.
Hy het gesê ek is imposter.
Oh. No, your antwoord, like.
Your
je vraagt de
answer.
antwoord.
Your answer your question was. You're not saying Musti, but you're answering the question.
Yeah. Answer your question.
En deze moet ik niet staan.
No, but just say it and now, like, answer your question.
Moet je zien het dan nou?
Answer your
Die vraag
question.
wat je gekregen, who's most likely to?
Dan moet Willen moet
Well,
Why? He's fumbling.
I'm
You
not
see,
fumbling.
you see this? He's fumbling.
Okay, we
See?
gaan zeggen, ik kan.
I just know.
See, what type of answer is that?
She does this. She's like a. What is it?
I just, ik ben dit een
Wait, je kan nog niet antwoorden.
Ik ben dit een gevoel.
Je kan niet antwoorden zonder om. Je kan niet.
Okay, maar Bugs is 'n bietjie stil. Bugs weet ding jy is.
You already did it.
Yeah.
No, wait.
Willen, okay, nou hoekom sê jy?
Maar my gevoel is dit.
Hoekom sê jy?
Ken je hoe moet ik dat doen?
Ah?
Huh?
Oh, die imposter mos nou.
Ja, wat is jou rede hoekom jy sê is Willen?
Nee, wie zei?
You are answering the question.
Ah,
Like,
ik
who's
zeg
most
niet, ik
likely
was de
to
poster.
think? Who's
Yes,
most
most
likely
likely.
to then you answer? I said yes.
Je zegt, je
I
zegt.
say
Oké, wie denk je nou als je imposter?
Imposter.
Ja.
Willen.
Oké, why?
Wat? Maar hoe
Why?
zeg je zo?
Want hoekom praat jy nou hierdie ronde so baie?
Hij gaat weer
Because
van
the
de vraag
question
af.
changed more than it. The question changed. So
Nou,
I
die jongens die ook actually fumble. Hij gaat weer van die vraag af.
Okay, so like, like, why do you pick me to play?
En jij zie je, want ik voel zij zal het recht krijgen.
Antwoord ons die vraag.
Om wat te maak? Julle is baie confused.
Okay, like, so like, who do you pick?
Julle is baie confused.
Who do you think is the imposter?
Yeah.
Kyk, jy klaar die vraag geantwoord. Dan moet jy sê wie is die imposter?
Ja.
Who's the
What
imposter?
do you think is the imposter?
Oh, ik zie.
Why?
Why?
Van die oude vraag wat hij nou heel dit gestaan en antwoord heeft.
Oké.
Hij gaat niet bij je staan wat Marsha gezegd wat. Maar hij kan niet zeggen je vraag eigenlijk antwoord.
Nou, nou kyk hierso, tyd is klaar. Julle moet nou vote wie dink julle is die imposter.
Ik moet voor Corneille. Ja.
I love Cornelio.
Corne wil wie vote jy?
Oh, ik zie.
Bugs wil wie vote jy?
Ek ook nie self.
Nee, je
What?
kan
You
niet,
can't
je
vote
kan
yourself.
niet.
Ook wel Willen.
Okay, so Cornelio is out.
So, Corne,
Hmm.
verwyder jouself.
Fuck off.
Bro, why? Why?
Yeah.
I can say with a confident heart that Corne was the imposter.
Yeah! I told you guys.
Zie, die wil je die vragen die je moet antwoorden.
Hy is baie, hy klaar 'n giveaway, want iemand lag op sy eie voete.
So zeg like, ik zit moet dus dat worden doen maar iemand moet. Zeg dat.
Die smile. Die wil je zit die vraag aan. Ik kan wel eens antwoorden wat similar geklinkt. Like die vraag kan similar weer. Hoe antwoord je iets anders? Maar hoe moet je dat dan? Ik kan echt terug. Waarom ik een veel wel
Maar ik,
Extra space.
Ja, maar ek het ook vergeet van die question. Wat was hier is 'n question geweest?
Who's most likely to become an actor or actress?
Ja, dus ik.
Wat was your question?
Bij die rest.
hoe is most likely to fail corrections? To fail corrections.
You said yes, Bugs.
Is anyone in makeup?
Ay, yalla.
Dis 'n kaart dit.
Iso. I get my phone with
Maar je ding is hou bang, je dit zo staan en zo zit in je. Je zal ook confused raken.
So wat is die imposter het 1 game gewen?
Altijd iets
Games
op
of flop.
Al die games geflop.
Ja.
Nou, hier is round 3 en dis die final round, hè.
The final.
Yeah. It's so
Guys, the cards will remain the same.
Until
Just
the
a question that will change.
But no meer weer man.
Is it guys?
Kan die imposter sy oë oopmaak. Alright.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. My answer is wallet.
My answer is Bugsy.
My answer is Bugsy.
Ek wou mens jou.
So
You can
do
vote
that.
for yourself.
So you say
I'm
you.
most likely to do that, yeah.
Okay.
What? Ek aan 'n vraag die altyd is my antwoord wallet.
Okay, look. Let's argue.
Okay, so sê die last.
First argue. Look. That's the imposter. Done and dusted.
Okay, hoekom sê jy so?
Because, man,
Mhm.
she knows in the situation the question is realistically between these two guys, who is most likely to do that?
Based on that question you received,
Mm.
you're saying that she is the one.
Yes, she is the imposter based on
Because I think it's Bugsy. Because
the imposter.
yeah, no, like who's most likely to do that?
Mm.
Because like he just know what he does.
Yeah.
He
Mm.
does this the most.
Who did you say was the imposter
I didn't say.
for your question?
He didn't say anyone.
Okay, who do you think
Bugs.
is the imposter?
Based on the answers we all gave.
I mean like I do it a lot also. Like,
Mm.
but he does it the most though.
It is his specialty.
Okay, now I think that Bugs is the imposter because
Okay.
who wants Anwar? Same kind of something. Well, and also say Nani. He's most likely to do it also.
Ah,
Yeah. So, anyone in this other crowd. I believe with Bugsy, that's why he knows that Bugsy does it.
who was your choice? Not the imposter. Who was your choice?
Bugsy.
Bugs.
En hoe dan dan nog eens ek so.
Exactly.
She's the only one who picked me. But judging by the fact she doesn't
But I
she
get-
doesn't actually like she doesn't like actually like love with them.
Yeah.
So she doesn't know
Yeah.
like what they are. But I was not gonna vote her.
You are the imposter.
Fake saving. Ik wou Bugs. Bugs, wie was
As
jouw antwoord?
imposter.
Ja, wie was jouw antwoord?
As imposter.
Ja, de
Who's most likely to?
question.
Lekker.
See, the thing is, he knows it.
Here's the gameplay, man. Vote her out. There's three of us. Judging by the fact that Bugs in the first round, he already voted himself. So Bugs knows.
But if he but if he votes
It
himself,
can be something else.
Oh.
Kan
Say
Yeah.
your vote, man.
Ek sal sê Swellen.
Oh, het maakt het net
What the I'm just making it worse.
Oh nee. Op die imposter wat.
Yeah,
Op
who
die
do you
vraag.
think? Who do you think?
Kyk op my vraag sê ek is Swellen. Op die imposter dat bly jy.
Yeah.
Guys, so let's start with you, Bugs. Why are you voting for the
Masha.
imposter?
Masha. Masha.
Masha.
Masha.
Yo, you got 3 votes, so automatically you're out.
Your vote is
Please send me your card. I can confirm that Masha was not the imposter.
Ja.
Who knows?
What do you think, Bugsy?
Between the two of you.
No, what do you think, Bugsy?
No, listen, Mr. Clark. Between the two of you, he is most likely. Because
Why?
Ja,
Why?
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 look,
Why?
the way I'm going to explain it will give the answer away. I don't know how to
Take
explain
the
it.
question away, man.
Yes, but I know I am out of the equation.
How?
How?
Oh.
Based on that question,
Nee.
just based on
nee.
that question.
So the way you just stated your sentence
Yeah.
makes me wonder why you chose me.
But why though? Why though?
Because based on what? Based on your sentence, you just stated. Nee, you gave yourself away.
Ow.
You can't tell me no.
Ow. Explain it.
Sê maar wat jy nog wil sê.
Okay, Bugs.
I
wait.
said-
No.
Nee, wacht. Sê wat jy nog wil sê.
Ek het gesê,
Mm.
dis tussen julle twee. Van op die vraag, as ek uit die equation. Nou doen.
Wat is
Why?
die is dit?
But why are you out of the equation?
Ja.
If you read the
Ah,
question,
you.
but I'm not. Yes,
Kijk, let's just vote, man.
no,
let's
listen.
just
It's
vote.
last round.
Ah,
It's the last person.
This is the, as iemand nou weet, is dat many important.
If we vote wrong,
Maar kijk hier.
Also, I was just making up seconds, guys. So you can discuss, guys.
Ja, zeg hier. Hoekom denk je zeg? Hoekom denk je zeg?
Kijk,
why that sudden change of heart?
I can't choose myself, man. Because I know I do it, but I know I can choose someone else. So I choose you, bruh, because I know you would also do it.
you.
Look,
Ek sal jou kies, bruh, want ek weet jy
kom ek sê dit nou klaar ons. Ek is nie die imposter nie. Daar is een van ons wat hier is wat die imposter.
This guy bro.
Ja, kijk,
Dis
kijk,
dit
Jordan.
klaar.
Ek sê,
Jordan.
kyk.
Are you sure you didn't say that's on the same?
Nah, relax.
No, I'm sure I didn't say
Kyk.
Ah,
It's a
nee.
different question.
Kyk.
What?
Kom ek sê nou nie.
Maar gewoon zeker dat is een vraag.
No, put your phones down. Put your phones down.
Sorry voor nu.
Put your phones down.
It's what you do.
The imposter.
But now you gotta vote the imposter. Who is the imposter?
Between
Kijk.
the two.
Wait, the guy still has something to say.
Ga dan.
Omdat ek sê kyk, kom ek omdat ek sê nee, like ek kan nie myself kies nie, nee. Want ek weet as ek nie like hoe moet ek sê dit gedoen het, weet ek die volgende persoon wie dit sal kan doen. So dis hoekom ek sê dis die hoek. If you understand what I'm trying to say.
Julle discuss.
Luister hier vir my woord. Luister hier vir my woord.
Maar kyk, die ding is nee, ek kies nie vir hom as die imposter nie. Ek kies vir Joe.
Niemand is confused.
Luister hier. Ek is nie die imposter. Die kind was mooi uit. As jy die vraag mooi lees en compare dit aan my, hoekom sal jy nou dink ek is die imposter?
Bugs, who do you think is the
Corney.
imposter?
I'm out of the equation, but my imposter was
so-
Boxy.
Hola. So, I can say with confidence that Corney was not the imposter. That means that the imposter
By
is the winner.
default.
It's Bugs.
Sien!
Ah!
Julle is dom!
Nee, maar hoe?
Luister die vraag! Who's most
Maar-
likely?
Maar.
Nee,
Sê!
Luister, maar nie.
Sê!
Ek het vir Bugs, man. Sy imposter question. Met julle is 'n question vir Steve.
Zodat ek kan inplan bestaan.
Wow.
Imposter thinking, you understand my.
Who's most likely to achieve an award for eating the most hot dogs?
Ja.
Toe vote julle vir Masha uit, want julle gedink Masha is die imposter.
Ja.
Kyk, dis mos twee separate questions. Wie is die imposter en wie dink jy gaan dit gaan doen?
Vir wie jy gevat?
Ek wil wel.
As die vraag vir die vraag is nie.
En my vraag,
En dis
imposter-
hoekom ek het Wallen geskryf en ek weet hoe Wallen is en ek bly nie saam met hulle nie. En hy is op die orde vraag.
Ja, daai is op die hardop vraag. Maar my imposter antwoord was, toe Corney iewers het hy iets gemix, verstaan jy? Nee. Dit is hoekom ek gesê
Weet
het.
je hoe ik die man gevat? Was die imposter. Maar ik had jij niet zoeken en ze zei maar ik heb mezelf betrokken. Toen dacht ik.
En hy het ook begin sê ek is nie die imposter nie, ek is nie die imposter nie.
Toen zei maar ik is betrokken.
Owens, hoe moes ek myself verkeer?
En
Maar
toe
jy
ek
het
myself
van die
verkeer
vraag.
gemaak.
Nou, die kan
Jy
ek
het skers gekry serieus, die eerste vraag, die imposter.
Sê jou vraag maar.
Hoe moet like dit die kyk man. Hoe kan man kyk?
We zijn met zo van.
Ja. Daai sou my antwoord.
Daar is dat zo hele ding mee gegeven.
Exactly. That is hoekom ek jou gesê het. So to conclude this video, I would like to say that I am officially the GOAT of this imposter thing, even if I don't understand. That was clever thinking by me. And I would just like to say, great game, guys. You all done your part.
This man is professional.
And I would like to shake your hand for competing with me. Ne? Thank you for contributing your time by losing.
Amazing.
By losing.
I'm gonna cook you in part 2, my friend. I'm gonna cook you in
So, part 2 is to be determined.
Uh,
One of these days.
Drop it.
And I will remain
Thursday.
a champion. For part 2 to be evaluated, like, subscribe, and comment. Who do you think is gonna be the next victor of this challenge?
okay.
Shop, guys.
Hey guys.